Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create person out of the text Cutout using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a design in my Canva application, and first thing first, I'm going to add image to this design. I'm gonna upload image. Actually, I have uploaded image to the Canva, and I'm just going to use it. I'm going to click on upload, and I'm going to use this image, and we have to remove the background of this image. We can go to the effect and then select the background remover. You know, the background has been removed, but unfortunately this feature is for a premium user. If you're not a premium user, you can use the background remover feature on the Canva. You just need to go to the apps, and then you can search for the background remover. Just go to background remover, background eraser I mean, and then you can use the background eraser feature shown by this icon to remove the background of your photo. And after the background has been removed, I'm going to zoom in like this, and I'm going to bring it backward. Wait guys, I'm going to zoom in. Okay, and I'm going to change the position. I'm going to click on position, and I'm going to select backward. Okay, wait. Alright, and I'm going to duplicate this image. We can click on this duplicate icon, and then I'm going to crop it. Wait, I'm going to adjust the position. I'm going to cover the first object, and then we can click on crop and just crop the image like this. Okay, then click on done, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's how we can create person out of the text Cutout using Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.